Take command of the road in the 2008 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, power moonroof, and seat memory. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.